Good morning, good morning, good morning. Malapit na po tayo sa Terminal 3. Dito po sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3. Ayan po ang departure. Very soon, bababa na po tayo at papasok na po tayo sa airport para makapag-check-in sa ating flight. Papunta po muna ng Narita International Airport sa Tokyo, Japan, bago po tayo muling lumipad patungo ng Los Angeles, California, United States of America bukas po. So we have one full day in Japan before flying to Los Angeles, California. You see, maaga pa po, no? Wala pa pong alas 6 ng umaga. It's just time check is 5:35 in the morning, pero nakita na po natin may build up na po dito po sa Terminal 3. Bagay, common naman talaga yan eh. Lagi naman po talaga traffic dito. Maybe because of the volume, but I believe the administration can still look into the traffic management of the terminal. So, nandito na po tayo, malapit na po. Doon po tayo sa number 4 or number 5 where Anna, the check-in counter is located. Okay. Nakikita na po natin ang Bay Area for the ANA Airlines. It is number 5. So lagpasin lang po natin itong mga sasakyan na to para makababa po tayo. Kukuha lamang po tayo ng card. Okay, yan po ang ANA. So saan yung card? Anthony, aking manugang, siya po naghatid sa atin. Ayan po ang ating mga bagahe. Yan si Anthony. Doon po kami nag-stay sa Hilton Manila Resort. So Anthony, maraming salamat. Give my hug to Abigail and the children, Uno and Ate A, and to your Mommy. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat. Bye-bye. Hello once again. Nandito na po tayo sa loob ng airport. At medyo mahaba na po talaga ang pila kahit maaga pa po. No. So makita po natin ang senior, ang priority. Ganun din po kahaba. So we just wait for the counter to open. And then hopefully we will be able to check in on time. Thank you. Daan na po tayo sa immigration at sa custom. Medyo nagtagalan lang po tayo sa check-in sa dami po ng mga pasahero. And mostly ang mga pasahero po ay mga seniors at mga needing assistance. Then sa immigration po, doon lang po tayo pumila sa regular day dahil marami rin po ang mga nakapila sa seniors and special lane and priority. Mabilis naman po sa immigration. Pinanong lang po kung kailan ang ating balik. And then sa custom naman, dire-diretso rin po. At wala naman po kasi tayong dalang hindi dapat dalhin. So we're now here going to the gate. Ang gate po natin ay gate 108. Okay. So we'll be staying here for almost an hour before our flight. Okay, bye-bye! Hello. Delay po ang ating flight. Pati ang boarding time supposed to be 8:30, ginawang 9 o'clock. At ang flight ay magiging 9:30. So nandito pa rin kami sa holding area while waiting for the final announcement. See you soon. Thank you. Magsisimula na po ang boarding. Ay nauna lang po ang mga may special needs. Ating pong mga naka-wheelchair at ang ilang pong mga priority. Tayo naman po ay kaya pang maglakad, so hindi na po tayo nag-avail ng wheelchair or special services. Very soon, there will be an announcement for the boarding. Now they're checking the boarding pass as well as the passport for our co-seniors, mga ka-senior po natin. Okay. Narita na po tayo. We are now in Japan. Welcome to Japan. Sa Japan na po tayo. Have a great time. Welcome to Japan. So we're here at Narita International Airport. Okay. So ganito po ang airport nila. Okay, arrival, domestic. Okay, visitor service center. This is Narita Airport. Tourism. Okay. Well, we are now at Haneda International Airport departure area. We are done with the security check and the immigration control. So here are some duty-free confectionery. So our flight will be tomorrow, early morning tomorrow. So we still have a lot of time to roam around and to take something. So this is Haneda International Airport Terminal 3. So we are going to the food court. We decided to eat here. Seems delicious. Boarding na po tayo para sa ating flight pa Los Angeles. Okay, papunta na po tayo sa airplane. Medyo malayo-layo pala yung aeroplano. Okay. So we're boarding. Very soon we'll take off for Los Angeles. Goodbye, Haneda, Tokyo, Japan. For a while. Thank you. Arigatou gozaimasu. Domo. Excuse me. Thank you. Okay, finally we have arrived here at Los Angeles. The plane has landed, Iggy has landed, and we are now disembarking the plane. Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu. So here we are, finally at Los Angeles, California, United States of America. So we are now at the airport premises. This U.S. costume, border protection. We're now going up. So this is Los Angeles International Airport. Okay, natakuha na po natin ang ating bagahe. So we are about to exit and wait for our sundo. But we will still have to wait for my other cousin, Lisa, who will be arriving in 2 hours time. So just wait here for a while. So ito po ang baggage claim area dito po sa Los Angeles International Airport. Doon po yung palabas. I believe dito na lang po muna tayo mag-stay. Yeah, we're here at the United States of America. You can see the welcome. Welcome to the United States of America. So we're still here at Los Angeles International Airport. And finally, my cousin and I met each other. So we'll be going to the welcome exit to meet our cousin who will be hosting us for our stay here. Ayun po ang aking pinsan, si Lisa. So you're live in my YouTube channel. Okay, so there's my cousin Lisa finally. After waiting for her for almost more than 2 hours or 3 hours, she came. Okay. 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 So yeah, so we're here at Los Angeles International Airport. Shout out, Lisa. Okay.
She's a famous blogger.
Okay.